Hey everyone, I am Akanksha and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Arbitrum's BOLT, which stands for Bounded Liquidity Delay. BOLT is a big upgrade that helps Ethereum scale in a safer and fairer way. You can think of it like adding a timer and rules to a game, so no one can cheat or pause the game forever and trap other players' money. Arbitrum is built on top of Ethereum. It's called a layer 2. Instead of doing everything on Ethereum, Arbitrum does most work off chain, which makes transactions faster and cheaper. Then it sends the results back to Ethereum to stay safe. Arbitrum uses something called an optimistic rollup. This means it assumes transactions are correct unless someone says, "Hey, that's wrong," and proves it. Before BOLT, only a small approved group was allowed to participate in dispute resolution, which meant the system was not fully open to everyone. BOLT changes this in a big way. With BOLT, anyone can participate in disputes if they believe something is wrong. You don't need a special permission, you just need to put down a bot, which is like a safety deposit. This helps Arbitrum move closer to full decentralization, where the system does not depend on a few trusted people and instead relies on Ethereum itself for safety. Here's how things worked before. Arbitrum groups many transactions together and sends the result to Ethereum. Someone puts up ETH and says, "This result is correct." If no one disagrees for about 7 days, the result becomes final. But if someone disagreed, the fight happened 1% at a time. One challenger against one defender. This made the process slow. Someone who wanted to cause trouble could drag things out on purpose. This could delay withdrawals linked to that disputed state, even if no money was actually stolen. The biggest issue was that there was no clear end time for these fights. Bad actors couldn't steal money, but they could slow everything down and lock up funds. Because of this risk, Arbitrum had to limit who could take part, keeping it at an earlier stage of decentralization. BOLT brings three big improvements. First, anyone can now challenge a wrong result. No specialist, no gatekeepers. Second, everyone who joins must put down a protocol defined ETH bot. If they are wrong, they lose it. This makes lying expensive and not worth it. Third, many people can challenge at the same time instead of waiting in line. This makes the system much faster and harder to block. When people disagree, the system doesn't redo everything. Instead, it uses a smart method that game, like guessing a number by cutting the range in half each time. This quickly finds the exact step where something went wrong, saving time and money. The most important part of BOLT is that disputes now have a clear time limit. They can't go on forever. On Arbitrum, disputes are bounded to a fixed, protocol defined maximum time on the order of days, and the community can adjust it if needed. If someone stops responding, they automatically lose. This guarantees that every dispute ends on time. BOLT makes attacks too costly and too hard to pull off. For users, this means more predictable final results, safer withdrawals, no more waiting forever because of stalled disputes. Your funds are better protected. With BOLT, Arbitrum meets the core technical requirements for Stage 2 rollups. This means anyone can help keep the system honest. Disputes always finish on time. The system no longer depends on trusted validators for safety. Some groups may still help with upgrades or emergencies, but they don't control user funds. BOLT is not just good for Arbitrum, it shows that optimistic rollups can be fully open, safe, and scalable at the same time. That's a big deal for Ethereum as it grows to support more users and apps. BOLT is being added and improved across Arbitrum networks, and it's a big step forward for Layer 2 security. If this helped you understand things better, hit like, subscribe for more videos, and tell me in the comments, optimistic rollups or ZK rollups, which do you think will win?